Ever wondered what payment methods you can use with Grabpay? Let's dive right in. Grabpay is a digital wallet that's revolutionizing the way we pay. It's your one-stop shop for seamless transactions, from your morning coffee to late-night food cravings. But what are the payment methods that make this magic happen? 1. Cash. Simple and reliable, cash is king, and Grabpay understands that. You can simply pay cash to your Grab driver or at select merchants. Quick and easy, no need for cards or digital wallets. Just hand over the cash, and you're good to go. 2. Credit and debit cards. Secure and convenient, link your credit or debit card to your Grabpay account for a hassle-free experience. Wide acceptance, most major credit and debit cards are accepted, ensuring flexibility and convenience. 3. Grabpay credits. Reward yourself, earn Grabpay credits by completing rides, making payments, and participating in promotions. Use them freely, redeem your credits to pay for rides, food deliveries, and more. 4. Online banking. Direct transfer, transfer funds directly from your bank account to your Grabpay wallet. Easy and secure, enjoy the convenience of online banking without the hassle of physical cards. 5. E-wallets. Partnered wallets. Grabpay often partners with other e-wallet providers to offer seamless integration. Quick and easy transfers. Transfer funds between e-wallets to top up your Grabpay balance. Additional tips. Check for updates. Payment methods can change over time, so it's always a good idea to check the latest information on the Grab app or website. Security first. Prioritize your security by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your account information private. Enjoy the benefits. Take advantage of the many benefits of Grabpay, including discounts, promotions, and loyalty rewards. With a variety of payment methods, Grabpay makes it easy to pay your way. Whether you're a cash enthusiast, a card carrier, or a digital wallet devotee, Grabpay has got you covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.